Crafters, this is Jerry with Crafty Stash, and today we're going to do the Anna Griffin Swivel and Pop card making kit. Now, I had gotten this a few weeks ago, and it was on sale. It's $20 more today than it was when I bought it 3 weeks ago or 2 weeks ago. So I don't know what the deal is. Maybe it's because it's coming up craft day. I don't know. But I put the description and the link to where you can find it on HSN down below. Put it in your box. Maybe it'll decrease in price. Hopefully it will. But it makes 20 great cards, and you really can't even beat it. I mean, you go to the card store and you're going to pay $3, $4, $5 for a card, and these are even at the high price $2.50. So you're still making out like a bandit. But let me go through how to make these because it's a little tricky. It does come with a how-to, as they all do, and they show you some examples. There's different color combinations. You do what you want. I kind of mixed and matched it, and then it shows you how to do it as well. You don't need anything else but this card kit. If you take it on vacation, and that's all you need. You don't need a scissor. You don't need a glue stick. You don't need anything. It comes with everything. Let me show you how. This is how it comes when it's all finished. This is how I put it together. And you put your to so-and-so from so-and-so and your sentiment right there. Happy birthday to you. Now, the thing is, they all come with birthday sentiments, nothing else, which a little miffed about, but I'll show you how to get around that as well. So this is a finished product, and sign it at the back, handwritten, handmade by, always when you're doing cards. And this is the second one that I did. Now the bases all come different colors. These bases all come different, and I will show you that as well. So that's what it looks like when it's finished. How to make it. Simple enough. And of course they come with envelopes. So this is your swivel mechanism. This is your card base. This is your swivel top part. And it comes with as many embellishments as you can possibly imagine. Different kinds, flowers galore. It comes with different colors of the tops that go on the base and on the front, and it comes with 20 different sentiments, but they're all happy birthday, but they're all different. 2 of each, 10 different types. So just going through them quickly. Send love to you, and there you go. Love the fonts, beautiful as always. And then you have the belly bands, which I did not use, and I'll show you how I use the belly bands, but I'll show you how you can use the belly bands if that's what you wish to do as well. And then you have your card bases, and again, you come with a myriad of colors and designs. Beautiful, right? If you do anything with Anna Griffin, you know that all the colors match. Everything goes together. These are the mechanisms, and again, these are different designs and different colors that you can mix and match as well. And finally, these are the mix and match of these, and it comes with each of these plain panels, I guess you'd call them. I put them all on mine already, but again, I'll show you how to do it. You can mix and match colors. You can keep it color coordinated. However you like to do things, that's how you can put it together. Okay, so, and it comes with some foam tape as well. So what you do, take your panel, find the color that you want, and again, all of these come already pre-adhesived. Put them on there. That was my first thing. Then you'll find that the bases all say, and here, use the gold lines as a guide to attach. Here's corner gold lines, and you will attach this piece to that on these gold pieces, and I will show you how to do that as well. Take a coordinating mechanism, and you want to fold it this way, then you want to fold it that way, and it will automatically create its own mechanism. Make sure you burnish these really, really well and move them. Use the mechanism. The more you use it, the easier it is to open and close. This also has adhesive on the front and the back. Very, very sticky. Don't put it on until you know where you're going to put it. And I will show you how I did it. You can do it however you like. So if you would like to, you can you can put the embellishments on before you do anything else, if that's how you like it. I didn't do it that way. You can also write on it since it's flat, but I didn't do that either. So take this and this piece. This will mount and fold, and 2 valley folds. Then what you want to do is take your happy birthday sentiment. All you have to do is pull off the backing on it. It's all sticky adhesive. Again, you don't need your own. Then you just center the folds with the folds and put it down. That way, whoops, it will do just like this. Now make sure you burnish it really well. Okay, now you've got the mechanism, this top mechanism. Now on the back, it'll show you where to pull off the adhesive here. And what you want to do is take this, put the right side on the back, and match up the shadowed pieces. Once you've matched those up, everything else will go into place. So you got the sticky part, burnish, burnish. Again, you have another adhesive. So simple. Take this piece and put it on the, this becomes a little bit more tricky because of the way this is. Put this on top of the shadowed piece, just like that. Make sure it lines up and stick it. Burnish, burnish, burnish. Put it right side. You'll see there is your mechanism. Simple as that. Okay, the more you do it, the easier it gets. Now, the tricky part is this. This is your front, has nothing on it. This is your back, it has handmade by. This is your inside, has all the writing, and it will be all covered up. Those are your instructions. What I did is I took the back and I just undid a little bit of the adhesive. Very, very sticky. Once you get it down, you'll never get it off. How do I know? Don't ask. All right, you have these corner pieces here in gold. Put the mechanism base on those pieces. Hold it down. Make sure it's all lined up and square, and then just put that little tiny piece down. That's all you need. Just enough to keep it in place. Then what I did, make sure that this piece is not going over your fold, so you can open and close it. Then take a little bit more of this and very carefully fold it down. Now bring this over and fold it down. Okay? Now it's not all connected yet, but you want to make sure that your corners are in place and it's squared. Okay? So then you take this piece here, and we're pulling the adhesive, the paper off of the adhesive as we're putting this down. Kind of like what you would do with contact paper on a shelf, you know, and pull it and press it. Pull it and press it. Do it very slowly. Make sure nothing bubbles. Everything is flat. and it's even there. Pull it off. Okay, there you go. You got the other side. Pull it up. Again, you have the paper on the adhesive. Take this down and press it as you're pulling. Press it as you're pulling. You got it there. You got it flat. Just pull it off. There you go. Easy peasy. Just give it some time, and there's a perfect fit. Okay? If you're not sure again how to do it, just back the tape up and run it again, and it'll show you. So here's your front base. So what I'm going to do is you have these belly bands, and if you want the belly band on it, put on a couple of the flowers if that's what you want. Take the belly band, put it on your card after you put everything on the inside that you want, because it might be a little thick. So depending on how much embellishment you put on it, put your belly band on, turn it over, and you'll see there's adhesive right here. You will take this piece, put it on top, take your adhesive off, and attach it. And then it will, just as a belly band would, it'll slide back and forth. Okay? I didn't care to do that. I didn't want to use the belly band, so what I did is I'm taking one of these square pieces, rectangular pieces. I'm using whatever color I want, taking the adhesive off again. So convenient. Thank you, Anna Griffin, for putting adhesive on everything. Put this down, burnish it well. Then what I did is I just took the belly band and I just cut the ends off and made a banner cut out of it. I put some of the foam squares on the back, and I'm putting it on here. Make sure you got it squared up, and there you go with that. Then what I wanted to do with this one is I wanted to keep with the purple theme, the green and purple. So I took one of these that matched, and I put foam adhesive on this as well. And I'm making it like a decoupage. I'm just putting it on top of it, putting it off center a little bit so it doesn't cover up the sentiment. And there you go with that. You can add whatever else you wish. So now you have this, and on the inside, choose whichever one of these you want, and I'll use this one. Take off the adhesive again, put this on top of that, and I took there's two of each, and so I'm just taking the other one, I'm putting it upside down from that, just give it a little different look. Those are my embellishments for there. Then I have a nice big embellishment on the inside, so I'll peel that off, and I'll put it on the corner up here. Now if I wanted to, I could pop it up with some of the squares, but I'm not going to do that, and burnish that well. That'll be two, and this will be from. And there's your card. How simple is that? Make sure you made it. And that is that. I hope that shows you how easily you can make your swivel and pops. And we'll see what we find when we get to our craft day at HSN. And in the meantime, you have a great day and go craft. Bye-bye.